Hi guys, Tara G! Join me as we explore Garden Farm in Iloilo. Sobrang ganda dito guys. It's even more breathtaking in person. Imagine, rolling hills, stretching as far as the eye can see, and such a peaceful atmosphere that instantly melts away all your stress. So we spent hours wandering, exploring, and discovering hidden paths with amazing views from different part of the farm. Ang daming magagandang spots for photos. Seriously, every corner is picturesque. Pero alam nyo ba, hindi lang siya about the scenery eh. Garden Farm also has a strong spiritual aspect. So nung binisita namin yung prayer areas nila, napaka-unique, sobrang ganda, sobrang calming, sobrang peaceful. So perfect talaga for quiet reflection. Tapos umakyat kami sa hagdan na mayroong 456 steps to be exact. Yes, binilang po talaga namin paakyat. Kaya nalaman namin na 456 steps yon. Nakakapagod pero sulit naman nung nasa taas na kami. Nakita namin yung mga malalaking statwa ng angels na color white and yung malaking cross na maganda talaga sa feelings. So while papasok kami dito sa area na to, sobrang ganda ng sound, nakakakilabot. So sobrang worth it yung pagod namin nung paakyat. Sobrang nawala dahil sa magandang tanawin. Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito sa Garden Farm. Kung mahilig kang maglakad sa mga trails, mag-appreciate ng magagandang arkitektura, or gusto mo lang mag-relax, may mga activity dito para sa lahat. So kung papunta kayo ng Iloilo, don't miss Garden Farm. It's a complete experience, nature, spirituality, and tons of fun. You can contact Iloilo Miguel Fajardo's Travel and Tours for assistance with your adventure. Sila yung tumulong sa amin para malibot yung Iloilo. Ilalagay ko dito yung link para mas madali yung mahanap. Yan muna for today's video. Like and subscribe for more ganap. Buyers!